In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open Notion, get to your page, use the / command to find forms, click form, and start building, all in a quick, straightforward flow. First, open Notion in your browser or the desktop app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that, and make sure you're in the correct workspace so your form ends up in the right place. It's a good idea to give yourself a moment to let everything load, especially if you have a lot of pages or databases. Next, navigate to the specific page where you want the form to live. This could be a team hub, a project page, or any spot where you collect information. Think of this page as the home for your form and any context that goes around it. Having a clear destination helps everyone know where to find and use it. Once you're on that page, press the / key on your keyboard. The / command is Notion's quick launcher. It opens a search-based menu that lets you insert blocks without hunting through menus. With the menu open, type Forms. You should see an option labeled Form appear in the results. Click Form. That's it. Your form block will be added to the page. At this point, you're ready to start building your form. Keep your goal in mind. What information do you truly need? A clear purpose helps you keep the form short and focused. Use concise labels, stick to a logical order from basic to detailed questions, and write helper text where clarity matters. Simple forms are more likely to be completed accurately and quickly. If you're working with a team, make sure everyone understands what the form is for and how responses will be used. Consistency in wording and order can reduce confusion and save time later when you review entries. Accessibility matters too. Plain language, readable field names, and avoiding jargon make a big difference. If you don't see form when you type into the / menu, double check that you're typing forms correctly, ensure you have edit access on the page, and confirm you're using an up-to-date version of Notion. A quick refresh can help if the menu doesn't populate right away, and that's the whole process. You opened Notion, went to your page, hit the / key, typed forms, clicked form, and now you're ready to build. Keep it focused, keep it clear, and you'll have a form that's easy to complete and simple to manage. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your form in Notion.